Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter V. Say good morning to letter V. Good morning, letter V. This is a capital V and this is a small v. A capital V, a small v. Repeat after me. Capital V, small v. And now, let's make the letter V sound. The sound of letter V is V. 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 And now, let's learn some vocab about letter V. V is for wow, it's a van. V, v, van. And V is for wow, what's this? It's a vet. Vet. V, v, vet. Let's continue. V is for vase. Vase. V, v, vase. And V is for, yes, it's a vest. Vest. V, v, vest. Let's revise. V is for van. V, v, van. V is for vet. V, v, vet. V is for vase. V, v, vase. V is for vest. V, v, vest. V van. V vet. V vase. V vest. As usual, there is a tip for you. We can put flowers in a vase. We can put flowers in a vase. Okay, thank you. See you later.